kids, let's learn to counting. From 1 to 20, together. Are you ready? Let's go!
1. Can you say it with me? 1. The spelling of 1 is O-N-E. Let's count oranges. 1 orange. 2. Can you say it with me? 2. The spelling of 2 is T-W-O. Let's count apples. 1, 2, 2 apples. 3. Can you say it with me? 3. The spelling of 3 is T-H-R-E. Let's count avocado. 1, 2, 3. 3 avocados. 4. Can you say it with me? 4. The spelling of 4 is F-O-U-R. Let's count grapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 grapes. 5. Can you say it with me? 5. The spelling of 5 is F-I-V-E. Let's count mangoes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 mangoes. 6. Can you say it with me? 6. The spelling of 6 is S-I-X. Let's count bananas. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas. 7. Can you say it with me? 7. The spelling of 7 is S-E-V-E-N. Let's count strawberries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 strawberries. 8. Can you say it with me? 8. The spelling of 8 is E-I-G-H-T. Let's count pineapples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pineapples. 9. Can you say it with me? 9. The spelling of 9 is N-I-N-E. Let's count pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 pencils. 10. Can you say it with me? 10. The spelling of 10 is T-E-N. Let's count cats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 cats. 11. Can you say it with me? 11. The spelling of 11 is E-L-E-V-E-N. Let's count apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 apples. 12. Can you say it with me? 12. The spelling of 12 is T-W-E-L-V-E. Let's count stars. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 stars. 13. Can you say it with me? 13. The spelling of 13 is T-H-I-R-T-E-N. Let's count balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 balls. 14. Can you say it with me? 14. The spelling of 14 is F-O-U-R-T-E-E-N. Let's count spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 spoons. 15. Can you say it with me? 15. The spelling of 15 is F-I-F-T-E-E-N. Let's count cups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 cups. 16. Can you say it with me? 16. The spelling of 16 is S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Let's count trees. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 trees. 17. Can you say it with me? 17. The spelling of 17 is S-E-V-E-N-T-E-E-N. Let's count chairs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 chairs. 18. Can you say it with me? 18. The spelling of 18 is E-I-G-H-T-E-E-N. Let's count oranges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 18 oranges. 19. Can you say it with me? 19. The spelling of 19 is N-I-N-E-T-E-E-N. Let's count pencils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 19 pencils. 20. Can you say it with me? 20. The spelling of 20 is T-E-W-E-N-T-Y. Let's count carrots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 carrots.
And to watch more learning videos, subscribe to our channel, like the videos, and visit our channel to watch more videos and learn. Please subscribe to the channel.